Welcome to the PSEE Resilience Tracker Module training. In this training, we will cover what the new module is and how to use it. The PSEE Resilience Tracker Module was developed as part of the implementation of the department's resilience policy to ensure resilience is considered in our projects and to track how well the organization is including resilience measures during project design. How does the PSEE Resilience Tracker Module help? PSEE Resilience Tracker Module was created as a way of tracking resilience measures and design features in the department's projects. It helps our mission in several ways. It allows us to track how many resilience measures are getting included across the state. We can ensure the scope is locked down for better cost consistency, as well as ensure resilience measure items are accounted for throughout the entire project development process. We can also ensure the most effective resilience measures are evaluated and included if possible. What resilience measures are included? 35 design features have initially been identified as resilience measures in the module. These are measures beyond what is already covered by FDOT's design criteria. These measures are a starting point and other features may be identified and added to the module. How do I use the PSEE Resilience Tracker module? As soon as a project is available in PSEE, the Resilience Tracker module becomes available. You may enter resilience design features and measures at any time after that. It is highly encouraged to perform the resilience measures evaluations before the design phase to ensure that enough funding is available to cover the scope. However, if you are working through the design of a project and find that you want to add a resilience measure originally excluded, or one that is not listed, you are able to make the change. You should add the new feature or features to the module as soon as you can. To begin, please log into PSEE and select your project by entering the FPID at the top and hitting Search. Navigate to the Module menu on the left side of the screen and select Resilience Tracker under the Manage submenu. Resilience measures are organized in 8 menus inside the module. As you can see, each design feature has a radio button in 4 columns: Included, Not Included, NA, and To Be Evaluated. There's also space for comments. Once the disposition of a feature is determined, indicate it by selecting the button in the correct column. Each of the columns indicates a unique status of the resilience feature. Let's define each one. To be evaluated. This is the default setting of each resilience measure. Each resilience measure must be addressed and moved from this setting before the project reaches final design. Included. Resilience measure has been included in at least one instance somewhere in the project. Not included. Resilience measure was evaluated, and while it could be included, it was chosen not to and must be justified. Comments. Justification to not include a resilience measure that could be placed in a project must be written here. And A. Resilience measure cannot be included in the project due to features of the project. Remember, in summary, resilience measures can be evaluated and added at any time from when the project first shows up in PSEE until the final design submittal. All resilience design features and measures should be added to the module. All resilience measures must be evaluated and addressed in the module. Reporting options for the Resilience Tracker module. Changes that have been made to your module are logged and can be viewed in the journal log. Click on the journal entry icon within the Resilience Tracker module to open the following page, reporting each change. The change log will display a report similar to this. Click on the View link to display the details. Click on the report icon within the Resilience Tracker module to generate a report in Microsoft Word that provides a table view of the resilience measures selections for the project. This report shows the disposition of all resilience measures and lists any additional design features present in the project. To create a report, click on the report icon within the Resilience Tracker module to generate a report in Microsoft Word. that provides a table view of the resilience measure selections for the project. The search menu provides an option to view and export a list of projects that have identified resilience measures. Click on Search from the main menu, then Resilience Tracker to open the Resilience Tracker search fields. Should you have any questions, contact Resiliency at dot.state.fl.us.